Hi, it's Colin McIntyre, and I'm just shooting a very short video that shows you how to connect your Uniregistry domain to Builderall. Okay, connecting a domain or a custom domain that's held in Uniregistry to Builderall. So I'm using a responsive blog builder at the moment, and I'm actually making a blog in Builderall. I'm moving away from WordPress. Now, I definitely want that to be branded to myself, and so this general domain name URL is not going to be what I want at all. So, as I'm editing the blog, I get this screen, and it tells me, do you want to use a custom domain name? It's a blog, I want to brand. The answer is yes. So, what does it tell me you need to do? It tells me that I need to point my name servers at Uniregistry to these servers, name servers. In other words, Builderall is going to host that domain for you. Okay, so if I go to Uniregistry and I log in, move that out of the way. Okay, I've only got one domain registered with this company, and this one actually would be very good as a custom domain name for a blog. It's not the one I'm going to use, and so I'm not actually going to save this, but I'm going to go through the process. So I click on the domain and I look for the DNS records, and it tells me that currently that domain is hosted by Uniregistry itself. If I want to change that, I can choose set new name servers. Okay, now fortunately it tells me I have to save this for it to take for it to happen. So I won't save it, but I'll show you where you do. So I would take that, copy it, and drop it into Builderall. Just making sure I've got no spaces there, which I haven't, which is right. I would then copy that and press add. It will then get me another box to put in a second server, and I would just take that one, copy, and then on the second box that shows up I would do that. So that's name server 1 and 2 have been added. I would then go to the bottom where it says save changes. That's all that you would need to do. Now, for a name server to propagate, the domain to move from one name server to the other can take up to 48 hours. In my experience, it normally happens in a matter of minutes. So once you've put that, saved your changes, typically you would go back and you would get a domain successfully added, and you would have added your customer domain to Builderall that is currently held in Uniregistry. Simple. I hope you've enjoyed the video and you found it useful. If you have, please subscribe to my channel where you'll find lots more of these types of videos and plenty more to come. Thank you.